This is Neco year 2018 English objective past question. Question number 11, and the instruction here says complete each of the following sentence with the most appropriate of the options lettered A to E. So, and we are using this instruction to answer question 11 to 20, and this is where the use of English lies. And the sentence here says Teniola got to the cinema early enough but couldn't get a dash at the box office. Teniola got to the cinema early enough but couldn't get a dash at the box office. So option A here say bill, option B say pass, option C say receipt, option D say slip, option E say ticket. Option A, when we talk of bill, bill means payment that one is expected to pay. The bill also means a written document that has not been passed into law. Then when we talk of pass is just like a toll gate fee. You know, in Lagos, like a Lekki Igbe to Lekki phase 1, there is a toll gate. When you get to a particular toll gate, you have to buy a pass or pay for. Some people pay daily, some people pay weekly, some people pay monthly. So, and those people that pay for monthly and yearly, they usually have a pass. So it's like a toll gate fare. So, and that is what pass is. Then receipt is a document that is issued to a buyer, maybe a buyer of a particular consignment or product. Then slip is a paper that contains information about something. Then ticket, when we talk of ticket is a short paper that allows one into a theater hall. So by this sentence we find out that cinema here is same as theater hall or theater house. So Teniola got to the cinema early enough but couldn't get a ticket. So ticket is the correct option. A ticket at the box office. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.